Demonstrate awareness of safety precautions when approaching and handling large animals. So you always need to bear in mind when approaching a large animal what their behaviour is like. So facial expressions, whether the ears are forward back, stamping, tail swishing, things around the stables that may set the horse off, maybe tractors or horses walking past the stables, children, dogs, other animals, bearing in mind that they could all spook the horse or make the horse uncomfortable. Demonstrate the need for observations of animals prior to handling or treatment. Well, you need to observe the animal first. If the horse is looking uncomfortable, tail swishing, or the owner tells you that there is a certain side of the horse that is uncomfortable, you need to keep that in mind, as going over to that side of the animal or touching the animal may cause a lot of discomfort and stress, and this may encourage the horse to kick out or try and bite or swing round, causing incidents or hurting himself further. Demonstrate an awareness of suitable environments in which treatment may be carried out and identify any changes that may be necessary for safety reasons or for comfort of the animal. So when treating an animal, you need to make sure that the surrounding area is quiet. It's a neutral space where the horse can relax and be content with where it is. If there is a lot of people around or machinery going on or animals running around, what you need to do is try and get, if you can, possibly ask people to leave or be quiet for treatment periods. If there are things that need to be changed, i.e. if there's a tarpaulin covering something or something that the horse generally tries to spook at, if we can try and get that moved or take the horse somewhere where it's quieter, then that would be best for the animal, so that to help the animal relax. Demonstrate an awareness of hygiene and health and safety for the therapist, patient and handler. So hygiene would be, after each horse touched, wash your hands thoroughly or put hand sanitizer on. We would want to make sure that the handler is on the same side as the therapist every time the therapist changes side, in case the horse is uncomfortable and swishes round, then you're both on the same side to get out of the way. You would want to make sure that the handler has got hats and gloves on and that they are securely holding the horse but not too tight to discomfort the horse. You want to make sure that everything you're wearing is clean. You're wearing clean clothes to keep hygiene for when you're going in and out with horses. You want to make sure that if you're wearing gloves, that your gloves are clean hats, clean boots. You want to make sure that everyone's got their PPE on. There's no jewellery, no earrings, no rings, no necklaces. In case any of that gets caught, then that could cause an incident and it could either hurt you or the horse.